In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make your medal clip stretched resolution. So let's say you're playing your games like Counter-Strike, Apex Legends into stretch resolution like this guy right here. The first thing that you want to do in order to make sure that you have the stretch resolution is by heading over to the application, click on the gear icon, which is going to be the settings, and inside this page you want to scroll all the way down until you find advanced. Once again, scroll down and we have other recording category. Inside this page you have the video aspect ratio. Choose the aspect ratio for your clips. You want to click on it and you want to choose the first one with stretch to fit 16:9. If you selected the second one, it will have black bars. The third one will have the game aspect ratio, and the last one will be cropped to 16:9. You want to make sure to select the stretch to fit resolution, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.